right here.
Because that's, I see it now.
Hey, Maribel. Okay.
Oh, Henny's baby.
But on the monitor, they. Oh, okay. And then when I'm gonna go open this. And then go.
There's only 3 J names. Well, still. I don't know. Who else do you know that's a J name? Oh, my name's John.
Yogi right here. This is Yogi. Do you have puppy dogs too, little John?
No puppy dogs. But he's thinking he might want to touch that one. But he's not. What do you see?
I just need a white one.
You need a white one. And a white.
Oh no, now is that all? I lost my system. No, I can't, I can barely do it now. There's a twist involved.
Kind of move down a little bit.
All right.
Your height is too low.
Oh, I messed my system up again.
Both of them.
There's a white.
Onto this on there. Because it.
I wasn't born yet. Oh, this. I can show you how to do it.
Show me how to
There's
do
like
that.
actual like you game, yeah.
I forget. I forget about those. We have. How to use them?
Yeah.
Okay. And then look through the little hole. That'd be really good. Okay, bye. And it gets in. So then we let it develop. Am I taking ours too? Oh my goodness. Sure. Yeah.
Like a snake.
It is.
Oh, there you want to go.
Beautiful snake.
Is
What?
this, they're gonna pop on that top.
Oh yeah, okay, where's the other spot?
I don't know, Lisa.
Yeah, trees are great.
All right, trees.
I have fun with them.
He loves it here. Hey, little boy.
I don't think any of us know what we're doing.
Boo.
I don't know what you're doing.
Well, that's why I didn't want to be in charge of this, because I don't know what to do.
Put the conducting now.
Yeah, but I was also hybrid. Anyway, yeah.
I just know that the clothes are so you get all this discounts. All that stuff. And then there's the
He got scared.
We're taking the ruins down or putting up? Can't tell. Put it in the mud. Okay.
Which is almost gone.
When does that rain? You guys did such a good job with it. Good job, Bo. Doesn't look bad. Like if we're taking pictures like this.
Take it, and I'm going to move it up. You're trying to get it at least somewhere. Yeah, this dude, alternative history research dude, I figured out something pretty much. Yeah. Alternative history?
Colors, you need some alone. Text me or something. It is. I made them. Thanks. They're bean bags.
She only wants to.
Good. Can I do to help, like, when we get things going? Point, he starts
Go around the other side of the arch.
I love your hair. Your braids are so pretty. Baby shower. These are like the salvation. Yeah, it's okay.
Came out and took some time out of their day to travel up baby shower for her son and here and hopefully have a good time. We're gonna get started with a prayer and then we'll have some food right here and here we go. Yeah.
I don't know if you would like that.
Little boy, good job.
To hydrate that dog in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Well, that looks pretty tasty.
Say mama. Say mama.
It's very sad. I'll grab mine. I'll grab some.
No, it's like a little button. Oh. Also, it's like interchangeable. Very cute. This is the only one we have. We had other guys. So exciting. Alright, Michael, I think we're ready. Are we waiting for Matthew? Yeah, we ran to get some chairs. Okay, we know. My camera's not so fantastic. Let's do Steve.
Say hi. They're still kind of bright though. It'd probably take like 15 minutes.
I've been trying to wash your face.
Oh, okay, yeah, it really shows, right? Yeah, I was gonna ask how during the photos. Okay.
One for, yeah. So these are. Oh boy, let me help you. You can take it. You want the whole thing? Not too ornery. You want some fun? Yeah. You got it?
Somebody.
He likes grass. I guess I should probably get some food.
We did. Was it fun?
Can I? Is there a garbage?
Yeah, it's a 2-day event.